It is. It's going to be hot. Next couple of days, 90s, triple digits in a lot of locations today, expected to break more records. Here's a beautiful start to the day. A nice blue sky with some pink clouds as the sun starts to come up. 66 degrees, winds east at around 5 miles an hour, and a lot of us are in the 60s and 70s. Look at Paradise Hill, it's 70, 73 degrees in Placitas this morning. Not bad. Some more 70s as we get you further southward. Carlsbad, Las Cruces. Right now it's 73 degrees and 73 in TRC as well. And the winds, they're pretty calm, 5 to 10 miles an hour for the most part. But as we go through the afternoon, they are going to be a little on the breezy side, climbing to about 10 to 20 miles an hour. But as we take you through the forecasted winds, you can see the spots of blue. That's where we'll have the 10 to 20 mile an hour sustained winds. And it's not that widespread, so it's not going to be a windy or a gusty day, but we will have that nice breeze at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. But you pair that with the heat, the dry weather, the lack of rain, and that's going to keep the fire concerns around. No red flag warnings up for today, but still the critical fire conditions. Now today could get a spot storm on the east side of the central mountain chain. Most of us though are going to say sunny and dry. We'll just have a few high clouds rolling by. We do have a few of those clouds outside this morning, but as we talk about the chance for rain, that's going to increase as we take you into tomorrow. We'll look for the chance for some spot storms, mainly east and mainly dry thunderstorms, which really we don't need. We don't want any of that lightning. Then a little bit better chance for some of that moisture to come with the rain and storms as we get you into Friday. And it's all going to be paired still with the heat. We're not going to get a drop really in our temperatures until the end of this weekend. But for today, it is again going to be a scorcher. We're going to have mostly sunny skies, 91 degrees by noon, continuing that climb, 98 degrees by around 5 o'clock and peaking at about 99 degrees in Albuquerque, which would again set a record for us. The old record 96 set back in 2006, and almost all of us making a run at tying or even breaking some of those records. Socorro looks as though we'll fall just shy of records, but look at that record set back in 1912. That's over a 100-year record. So if we break that, that's definitely a big one. But look at our forecasted highs today. 87 Santa Fe, Los Alamos, 101 in Socorro, 106 in TRC, 104 in Deming. Some of our hottest spots are going to be down into the south, and there is a heat advisory in place for you over the next couple of days. But southern Colorado today, your 7-day forecast, sunny and warm skies. We'll have the mid to low 80s all the way through the weekend. Into the north and west, lots of sunshine and hot mid 80s and some 90s. Farmington 90 degrees and staying at 90 all the way through Saturday. Into the south and west, mostly sunny with those extreme temperatures all the way up to 106 in TRC and Las Cruces, 104 in Deming, and continuing to keep the heat around through the weekend. Into the southeast, sunny skies, a lot of triple digits for us, and we'll keep those around through Saturday. But we are going to look for the chance for a spot storm by the end of this week, with temperatures changing quite significantly Sunday. We'll be back in the upper 80s. Into the northeast, lots of sunshine, hot and breezy today with the 80s and 90s for most. Conscious and Tucumcari, though, triple digits. By the end of this week and the weekend, we'll have the chance for some afternoon showers and storms. Then into the northern mountains, mostly sunny, warm or hot and breezy. 88 in Taos, 87 in Santa Fe, and we'll keep the 80s around all week long. Then into the East Mountains, low 90s, hot and breezy. Could get 1 or 2 spot storms in this location today, but for the most part, dry and sunny. And that'll be the case in the metro area. Hot and breezy today, 99 in downtown and in the South Valley. 100 in Los Lunas for today. So making again another run at those records. Definitely keep in mind, you know, you were talking about some of the heat concerns or some of the safety issues. Drink lots of water. This is day 3 now where we've had near record or record breaking temperatures, and it's going to continue the next couple of days. So you got to stay hydrated.